Ready to ditch the algorithm and become the DJ of your own personal radio station? Today, we're diving into how to create killer playlists on Pandora, giving you complete control over your listening experience first. Make sure you're on the Pandora app's home screen. Look for the search icon, usually located at the bottom of your screen, then tap it. This will bring up the search bar now. Type in an artist, song, or genre that you enjoy. This will be the foundation of your new playlist. Let's search for Daft Punk. Great! Once you've searched, tap on the song or artist that best represents the vibe you're going for. This will take you to the artist, album, or a specific track. See those three dots next to the song or artist's name? Tap those. A menu will pop up. Find and select Start Station. Pandora will create a radio station based on that selection from there. If it is a start station, you can tap the thumbs up to influence your songs chosen or thumbs down to skip. To add to an existing playlist or create a new one, scroll down to the Active Playlist option and tap it. A pop-up menu will appear if you have any playlists. If you do not, you can go ahead and tap Create Playlist in the top right corner. Name your playlist something catchy and descriptive, something that really captures the essence of the music you're curating. Add the name, like Vaporwave, in the name bar, then tap Create. Boom! You now have a home for all your favorite tracks. The next time you search a tune, use the Add to Playlist option and start building amazing listening experiences totally bespoke to your tastes. Happy listening!